G'day folks, I've made a little bit of a mistake. I knocked off work and decided to go fishing. It was half sunny. I never even thought to look at the weather map. I've driven all the way from Wangaratta to Katamatite just for a couple of hours fishing after work, and there's a cold front about to hit. Conditions couldn't be worse. It's already cold before the cold front gets here. Conditions are horrible, but I'm already here, so I'm going fishing anyway. Rightio, look at that. It is really, really grey and dark over. That seems to be the worst over there. Over this way, which is where this weather's coming from, it's not quite as dark. So hopefully I don't get too much rain. You know, a lot of the times when I do this sort of fishing, I don't even have a target species. I'm not targeting yellowbelly. I'm not targeting redfin. I'm not targeting carp. I'm just fishing. I don't care what I catch. I hope I catch something, but I don't actually have a target species in mind. I'm just fishing for the sake of getting out and sitting by the bank of the creek and wetting a line, because that's what I need in my life. Awesome. Let's go see if we can catch one. Right, my first rod can go in just over there. Yay. Look at the weather. Isn't it just great? Ugh. Had I looked at the weather map on the forecast, I wouldn't have even come out. I would have gone tomorrow night instead. This one can go over here. Oh, a bit too close to the bank, Robert. That'll do. That's not too bad at all. This probably looks really silly, but I've got a towel draped over my shoulders to try and keep me just a little bit dry, because I haven't got a raincoat or any kind of a jumper with me, and I'm getting nibbles on both rods while it's raining. I'm sort of hoping the fish wait until the rain clears before they start biting. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a self-hooking fish, and it's almost bloody pulled my rod in the drink. I just saw, last time I was here, I caught the blackest carp ever, and I reckon I just saw a blacker one. Look, what is it with the carp in this creek that makes them so black? Have a look at that. That is like a shadow carp. Maybe I can call this video Fishing for Shadow Carp. Right, I was sitting in the car and it's been raining on and off. Oh, come on, buddy. Fish grips aren't a really good thing for carp. Their lips just seem to be a little bit too soft, and they pull through. Look at that. It feels like a carp. It doesn't look like a carp. Well, folks, I got one on the board despite the foul weather, and look behind me at how black it is over there. You probably can't tell because the camera's probably taking a light reading off the trees. It is about to absolutely pummel down with rain and possibly even hail. I might actually leave these rods out of the water while I sit in the car and sit it out. All right, buddy, say goodbye. Bye-bye, everybody. Okay folks, as they say in the deep south of the United States, I've stepped out of the vehicle. I've just come out of the car. It's stopped raining. It's still raining a little bit, but it's mostly stopped. My God, it's cold. It's like November, for God's sake. Did you know that vampires are not real? Vampires are not real, unless you count Dracula. Well, from the perspective of rest and relaxation and solitude, this 3-hour session on the riverbank has been super successful. From the perspective of fishing, it's been crap. But not totally unsuccessful, because I did catch one carp and then I got a wet ass. But I had a lot of fun anyway. Thank you very much for watching. If you've liked this video, why not give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and then you'll be notified next time I upload a video, which will be pretty soon.